Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download video from Telegram. First, open Telegram. Make sure you're logged into your account and then go find the video that you want to save on your phone gallery. Let me just choose one video in here. Alright, so this is the video that I want to save. Now on the upper right part of the screen, you'll see a circle with 3 dots. So we need to tap on that. Here you'll see an option to save video. So tap on save video. And then in here, select allow access to all photos so that you can download any videos from Telegram. Now once you save the video, try to check it on your gallery. So I'll just go ahead and check my photos in here. And as you can see, the video that we have saved from Telegram is already on our phone gallery. And that's how to download video from Telegram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.